I am Daniel Lucas, and welcome to Book 101 Review. Book 101 is all about the books that I read for the last 40 years, and today we're gonna talk about 8 Keys to Brain Body Balance by Robert Scaer. Robert Scaer MD received his BA in psychology and his MD degree at the University of Leicester. He is a board-certified neurologist and has been in practice for 33 years, 20 of those as medical director of rehabilitation service at the Mapleton Center in Boulder, Colorado. His primary areas of interest and expertise has been in the fields of brain injury and chronic pain, and more recently in the study of traumatic stress and its role in physical symptoms and disease. He is a lecturer extensively, rationally, and internationally on these topics and has published several articles on the whiplash syndrome and other somatic syndromes of traumatic stress. He has published a book in 2011, The Body Bears, The Burden, Trauma, Dissociation and Disease, presenting a new theory of dissociation and its role in many diseases. A second edition of this book was released in October 2007. A second book, The Trauma Spectrum, Human Resiliency, released in July 2005, explores the insidious spectrum of culturally based trauma that shapes our lives and how transformation and healing may still take place. He is currently retired from clinical medical practice and continues to pursue a career in writing and lecturing. 8 Keys to Brain-Body Balance by Robert Scaer. Take short strategy to heal your body and brain from stress and trauma. Understanding how our brains and bodies actually work is a powerful tool in mitigating the anxiety generated by unpleasant physical and emotional symptoms that we may experience from time to time. Here, Robert Scaer unravels the complexity of the brain-body connection, equipping all those who are in distress with a plausible explanation for how they feel, making the science accessible. He outlined the core neurobiological concept underlying the brain-body interface and explain why physical and emotional symptoms of stress and trauma occur. He explained why feelings represent physical sensation that inform us about the nature of our brain-body conflicts. He is also other practical, easy to implement strategy for strengthening motor skills, learning to listen to our gut and gauge our feelings, attuning to the present, and restoring personal boundaries to relieve symptoms and navigate a path of recovery. 8 Keys to Brain-Body Balance by Robert Scaer is highly recommended to read. To like it, share it, and definitely 10 plus. More to come, people. Thank you for listening, and see you soon.